How to fix Wi-Fi option not showing in settings on your Windows. So if you want to fix your Wi-Fi option not showing in your settings on Windows, then what you need to do, first you need to search for services. Once you search for services, you'll have this kind of interface. Simply click on any service and then press W, and it will take you to W kind of interface where you just need to simply go and search for WLAN AutoConfig. Double click on it and choose the startup type as automatic, and then if the service has not been started, then you just need to simply click on start the service, and once you've started the service you need to go with apply and OK. Once you've applied, you need to go back, restart your computer or your PC, and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to move on to the next solution, which is right click on your Windows, go with device manager. Once you're here on the device manager, you need to expand your network adapters. And here, you just need to simply select your network adapter, which is, in my case, it's the first one. Right click on it and then go with the update driver option and go with search automatically for drivers and update the best drivers for yourself. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then again relaunch your device manager. Right click on it and then go with uninstall device. Once you uninstall the device, you need to restart your computer or your Windows, and once you've restarted, then it will automatically install the driver. And once it's installed, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the last solution is you just need to simply search for system configuration. Once you open up your system configuration, you need to go with services tab, and under services, you just need to simply scroll down and you need to check all of the options which are right here. So you just need to simply go with enable all, which will be on the bottom right. Or if it's not enabled, then you just need to simply scroll down and enable all of the other options and then go with apply and OK. Once you've applied, then your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your Wi-Fi option not showing in your settings on your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.